Hi, hello everyone. It's very good to see you again. I hope that you enjoyed the last class on individual differences. And today we're going to open a new topic that is work motivation. Work motivation is very important issues in organizational psychology because it's talking about what ways that will drive the employees to work harder. I hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you. Before we start the discussion on work motivation theory, let me ask you one question. There are 365 days per year, and on average, we have 80 years of life. So altogether, we will have around 29,200 days. And half of the years, around 40 years, will go to work after our first graduate at university and before our retirement. So altogether, we will have 14,600 days to work. Frankly speaking, to what extent or how many days would you consider that you work very hard at your work? So this is the question of work motivation. You may have a question in your mind. Why do people go to work? Are they work for money? Are they work for leisure time? Work for holiday? How about others? When people are doing some voluntary work or doing science, doing research, or making changes in the world, such as Tesla, Amazon, and for IBM, etc. So they're trying to change the work and breaking the rules and make some new innovation. So are they just working for the money? What do you think about this question? So in today's lecture, we are going to investigate why people need to work, especially why people need to work harder. This is the issue, the question of work motivation. Indeed, there are lots of the old friends, old theories, traditional approaches to work motivation. For example, we need to understand what is work motivation, and we have to introduce some traditional theory of work motivation. More importantly is that nowadays, we have to have some new phases of recent research to explore some new theory of work motivation. Especially important that these new theories are trying to challenge the traditional old theories on work motivation. What is work motivation? By definition, work motivation is a set of energetic forces that originate both within as well as beyond an individual's being to initiate work-related behavior and to determine its form, direction, intensity, and duration. In short, work motivation is a force in driving individuals to work towards their individual and organizational goal. And this direction is in a more persistent way, have a longer duration to drive these individuals toward their goals. There is the formula in calculating the employee's performance. How important is work motivation? We found that motivation times people's ability will equals to their work performance. For someone, if they have the ability in doing their job well, it doesn't mean that their work performance is high, unless their work motivation is high too. So this formula showing us that both motivation and ability are important in driving high performance of the individual. In your case, what motivates you? What makes you more or less motivated to work hard at university? Can you recall why do you work harder or less harder at the university? Please spend 10 minutes to work on this small exercise.